On the BLQ platform, we can create our own team with the provided exclusive team registration link. You only need to send your team's exclusive registration link to your invited friends, and let your friends join your team. Once you have become an agent, the friends you invite belong to the first level of your team, and the friends they invite belong to the second level of your team. They are also the first level of your invited friends. The friends invited by the friends of your friends belong to the third level of your team, which are the second level of your friend's team. I'll show you the rewards of each team activity in BLQ Football. Agents with their own teams can enjoy 4% daily income and capital compensation agreement. In addition, they can also enjoy weekly rebates within the third level of their team. Team activity reward number 1. Team subordinates will be rewarded 10% for the first level, 5% for the second level, and 3% for the third level of the team. For example, you are A. You invited your friend B. 10% of B's income goes to you. Your friend B invited C. 10% of C's income goes to B, and 5% of C's income goes to you. Friend C continues to invite D. 10% of D's income goes to C, 5% of D's income goes to B, and 3% of D's income goes to you. 1. If your level 1 team participates in the team's investment projects every day of the week, and their total profit is 1 million UGX, you will get 10% of the reward next Monday, which is 100,000 UGX. 2. If your level 2 team participates in the team's investment projects every day of the week, and the total profit is 1 million UGX, you will get 5% of the reward next Monday, which is 50,000 UGX. 3. If your level 3 team participates in the team's investment projects every day of the week, and the total profit is 1 million UGX, you will get 3% of the reward next Monday, which is 30,000 UGX. Through my example, we can find that when you have your team's exclusive registration link, you can start developing a team. If the number of team members increase, and their daily income increases, the team commission and rebate you get will continue to increase. The rewards of this event will be sent to everyone's BLQ account every Monday. You have to remember that this 10%, 5%, 3% will not be deducted from anyone's money. This is the reward given by the platform. This information must be taught to your friends. If you don't teach them, they won't understand, and he won't be able to explain it clearly to his friends. If so, then you can only receive 10% reward from your friend's income, instead of receiving 5% and 3% more. Team activity reward 2. We know that when we make the first deposit on the BLQ platform, we will get additional rewards. If you have the team's exclusive registration link and you have invited your team's subordinates, after joining your team and completing the first deposit of 10,000 UGX, your friend can get rewards, and you can also get rewards. 1. Subordinates first deposit of 10,000 UGX or above, you will receive a bonus of 600 UGX. 2. Subordinates first deposit of 50,000 UGX or above, you will receive a bonus of 3,500 UGX. 3. Subordinates first deposit of 100,000 UGX or above, you will receive a bonus of 8,000 UGX. 4. Subordinates first deposit of 500,000 UGX or above, you will receive a bonus of 45,000 UGX. 5. Subordinates first deposit of 10 million UGX or above, you will receive a bonus of 100,000 UGX. 6. Subordinates first deposit of 50 million UGX or above, you will receive a bonus of 550,000 UGX. Here, I would like to remind everyone to pay attention to 2 points. First, the subordinates of the team you invite can apply for this reward event only if they make their first deposit. Second, be sure to add my Telegram number. Find me, I will help you apply for this award. Team activity reward 3. These are the accumulative rewards for effectively recommending friends. 1. If your team has 5 real members, you will receive 22,888 UGX. 2. If your team has 10 real members, you will receive 48,888 UGX. 3. If your team has 30 real members, you will receive 268,888 UGX. 4. If your team has 50 real members, you will receive 558,888 UGX. 5. If your team has 100 real members, you will receive 1,088,888 UGX. 6. If your team has 200 real members, you will receive 3,088,888 UGX. 7. If your team has 300 real members, you will receive 5,088,888 UGX. 8. If your team has 500 real members, you will receive 10,888,888 UGX. 9. If your team team has 1,000 real members, you will receive 34,888,888 UGX. 10. If your team has 3,000 real members, you will receive 68,888,888 UGX. 11. If your team has 10,000 real members, you will receive 139,888,888 UGX. 12. If your team has 30,000 real members, you will receive 888,888,888 UGX. As long as you are satisfied with these 3 team activity rewards, you can ask me to apply for the reward. I hope everyone will work hard to complete it and increase their daily income. Since someone can complete it, why not us? Why not you? Next, let's talk about the coverage of insurance that everyone cares about the most. If the capital preservation plan fails, as long as you buy according to our team's plan, the team will help you bear all the losses. Don't worry, we will refund the losses. That's the advantage of the agency team. You can make money for your friends and it makes money for you. You have to be more patient and teach your members the compound interest and the operation of the BLQ platform. Likewise, if you tell him your knowledge, he will tell his friends. Teaching them will only make your income higher and higher. If you don't teach them, then your wealth is only active income and not passive income. The so-called passive income requires some preparations at the beginning. After completing most of the preparations, the income will continue to increase without the need of you putting on too much effort. Of course, you need to encourage your lower level members to earn more income. When they earn income, they will share it, which will strengthen your team, and then you can get more income. During this period, you and the friends you invite are the same. It just depends on who works harder to create wealth for themselves. Everyone is equally subject to the team's capital protection plan. At any time, as long as you follow the team's investment plan to execute, you will be protected. Even if you lose the game, the team will repay your investment amount on the day. Contact your teacher to apply for your compensation. 0 risk and guaranteed return. Any rewards are given by the team and will not be deducted from anyone's income. When we join, we should focus, reply to the teacher's information in time, pay attention to the latest announcements in the group chat, and abide by the rules of the team. Everyone cherish this opportunity and follow the team to get more benefits.